This presentation is Morphology in relation to Taxonomy, presented by Dr.A. Suganthi, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Nirmala College for Women, Kanpur. Morphology in relation to taxonomy includes definition, morphological evidence and characters, modification of flowers. Definition: morphological features have been extensively studied by botanists and taxonomists in various classes of plants. Most widely used tool in the classification of higher plants from a very long time. According to modern concept, it is not correct. Practically, all the herbarium system of classification, botanical manuals are based on comparative morphology and anatomy. This picture shows the morphology of flowering plants. It consists of shoot system and root system. Root system includes taproot, lateral roots. Shoot system includes leaf blade, petiole, vegetative shoot, apical bud, axillary bud, internode, node, flowers, petals, stamens and carpels. Morphological characters are traditionally useful as evidence at all taxonomical levels, but particularly at the specific and generic ranks. Morphological evidence provides the basic language for plant characterization, identification, classification, and relationship. Generally, morphological data are easily observable and obtainable, and thus most frequently used in taxonomic studies. Morphological character are plant habit, root structural types, stem habit, stem structural types, bud structural types, leaf structural types, inflorescence type, flower types, perianth structural type, androecial types, stamen types, gynoecium type, carpel types, ovule types, fruit type and seed type. Modification of flowers in stamen number, anther position, ovary position, style length, stigma shape, number of carpel, number and fusion of perianth, parts, etc. contribute to the reproductive success of the species. The growth habit, herbaceous, shrub or woody of plants may be of primary usefulness in classification. This picture shows floral morphology. It consists of petals, sepals, anthers, filaments, stigma, style, pollen tube, ovary and ovule. Anther and filament together called stamens, stigma, style, pollen tube, ovary and ovules altogether called pistil. This picture shows a structure of an idealist flower. A flower have a pedicel, receptacle, collectively petals called corolla, collectively sepals called calyx, anthers and filaments called stamens, stigma, style and ovary called carpels. Example: lily flower. Sepal look like a petal, but it is a part of the outer ring. Petal attracts animals such as insects for a pollination. Stamen male forms a part of a circle around the carpel. Carpel female is in the center of the flower. Carpel female parts consist of ovary, style and stigma. Ovary is where the seeds are produced. Style connects the ovary and stigma. Stigma receives the pollen. Stamen male part each consists of filament and anther. Anther produce the pollen. Filaments support the anther. Thank you.